Good afternoon, boys. Let us overview our chapter intersection of solids. We have completed all the types or the types regarding the intersection of solids. Now, in this we discussed when the one solid penetrates another solid, then there is a surfaces intersect, and at the junction of intersection, the typical curve is formed. This curve is called as the curve of intersection, and it results in interpenetration of solids. Now, when purpose of drawing these curves are to when two objects are to be joined together, maximum surface contact between both becomes the basic requirement for the strongest and leak-proof joint. Now, the curves of intersection being common to both intersecting solids shows the exact and maximum surface contacts of the solids. Now, the intersections should be like this: intersection of main pipe and branch of the pipe, complete, having the shape of a hexagonal prism and hemisphere. This is one of the type of intersection. Then steps for solving the intersection of solid problem. Once we discussed the steps, first one solid is standing on the HP के ऊपर खड़ा है, ऐसा एक solid होगा, and the other will penetrate horizontally, दूसरा उसके horizontally penetrate किया जाएगा. Draw three views of the standing solid. जो standing solid है उसके तीन व्यूज हमें निकालने हैं. नेम दिस व्यूज एज पर द इलिस्ट्रेशन, जैसे उसका दिया है इलिस्ट्रेशन या मैंने एक्सप्लेनेशन, वैसे उसको या निकाला है वैसे उसको नाम देने हैं. दैट इज फ्रंट व्यू, टॉप व्यू एंड साइड व्यू. बिगिनिंग विद द साइड व्यू, ड्रॉ थ्री व्यूज ऑफ द पेनिट्रेटिंग सॉलिड. साइड व्यू से स्टार्ट कर आप हमें पेनिट्रेटिंग सॉलिड जो दूसरा है हॉरिजॉन्टल, उसके व्यूज निकालने हैं. On its side view, mark the number of points and name those. उसके साइड व्यू को हमें नंबर ऑफ पॉइंट्स मार्क करने हैं एंड उसको नाम देने हैं. The points which are on standard generators or edges of standing solid in side view, जो साइड व्यू में है दिखाई देते हैं, can be marked on the respective generators in front view and top view. ये साइड्स हमें फ्रंट व्यू और टॉप व्यू में देख कर मार्क करने हैं. ओके, एंड देयर other points on side view should brought to the first and then projecting upward to front view. Now, the dark and dotted line should be taken by observing side view from its right hand side as shown by the arrow. Arrow से शो करते हुए हमें right hand side को जाते हुए उसको हमें मार्क करना है और उसकी साइड देखनी है या उसका dark and dotted निकालना है. Accordingly, these should be joined by the curvature of a straight line. वो curvature से या straight line से join करना है, वो हमें mention करना है. A cylinder of 50 mm diameter and 70 mm examples लिया था हमने. पहला cylinder is standing and cylinder is penetrating. That intersection of cylinder with cylinder. Now a cylinder of 50 mm diameter and 70 mm axis, ये हमने problem देखा था, उसमें उसका 3D view ये है. This is the 3D view of that object. For that purpose, we have drawn the cylinder which is vertical. We have drawn top view of that cylinder and projected that top view to the front view like the rectangle in the front view. Then we also drawn the side view of that vertical cylinder. Also, we drawn the side view of the another horizontal or penetrating cylinder. जितना भी डायमीटर दिया है उसका उतना. बाद में उस जो पेनिट्रेटिंग सिलेंडर है उसके 8 पार्ट्स किए हमने, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Then we penetrated या projected this 8 part to the front view and to the top view also. Then after that, as we taken this position in front view and top view, we completed the front view of the horizontal cylinder as given dimension and top view of the horizontal cylinder as given dimension. Then we found out the intersection of these generators to the vertical or the intersection of this coming out generators of the from side view to the top view of the vertical cylinder, that is these points we considered. Okay, and we have taken the projection of these points in front view. ये और ये एक लाइन में आएगी, वो ऊपर आएगा, ये और ये एक लाइन में ये ऊपर आएगा और ये अलग से. Similarly, we have taken the projection in front view which are intersected here, and from both sides we have taken these lines in front view. Front view में वो lines हमने लिए. Now next, as we go on forward, we have joined or we have connected these points in front view. Front view में हमने वो कनेक्ट किए हैं या मेंशन किए. बाद में ये पॉइंट्स हमने यहाँ कनेक्ट किया या मेंशन किए. देन आफ्टर दैट वी ड्रॉ ए कर्व. इसमें हमने एक कर्व निकाला है और ये कर्व से हमने वो फ्रंट व्यू कंप्लीट किया है. So this is what we discussed regarding intersection of cylinder with cylinder. Then we discuss intersection of cylinder with square prism. For that purpose, similarly, we have drawn the top view of the vertical cylinder. Then we have drawn the front view of the similar one, and then after that, the side view of the square prism is drawn here. From that side view, we projected that side view in front view and top view. Like this, the projections will appear in this front view and top view. Okay, then we found out the intersection of these edges to the top view, and then we projected these lines in upward direction. Okay, after that we found out the intersection points to these views. Then these points we join with the help of a smooth curve. Okay, and completed the view of that solid. Then also we discussed intersection of cylinder, intersection of prism with prism, square prism with square prism. This is the 3D view of that object, and this we discussed. This is XY line and this is square prism. We have taken the projection of these vertical lines, also this line and this line and this line. Again, this is a rectangle. Inside view we drawn the red in red color. We drawn this side view of that horizontal square prism and projected the projections in side view and front view. Then after that we completed to draw this view in front view and top view also. We have drawn this projection in top view, that is we have completed the horizontal prism projections in top view and front view. After that we mark these intersection points of horizontal prism, and by marking that we projected this in front view. फ्रंट व्यू में वो प्रोजेक्ट किया है, ये जो एरो दिखा है वो उससे. After that we found out the intersection points of these and these points will be smoothly connected with the help of this straight line. As this is square prism with square prism, we connected these points. So this is what about prism with prism. तो ये है रिवीजन. अभी तक हमने जो देखा है उसकी रिवीजन है. आगे हम और एक रिवीजन लेंगे और बाद में नया चैप्टर हम चालू करेंगे। थैंक यू।